Hello and Assalamu alaikum everyone. In the name of Allah, the most beneficent and the most merciful. How are you all, my YouTube community and my sweet friends? I hope my all the lovely viewers are good and healthy. God bless you all and always be happy, friends. First of all, thank you so much, friends, for watching my previous videos and supporting me. I am very thankful to you for your this favor. Secondly, you can see, viewers, in this video I am providing you gorgeous and trendy amazing crochet handmade long dresses ideas. So viewer, please don't skip the video, watch the video start to end. Because all of these designs are so stunning, so unique and useful. I hope you all love these type of beautiful collection. So viewers, share this video with your family and sweet friends who want these type of beautiful crochet dresses collection. I really hope that they will love this amazing collection and amazing designs of crochet dresses. You know guys, different people have different choices and they love different type of colors. In this video you will see different colors, different decent and unique designs. You can must apply these most amazing designs. For more beautiful and gorgeous look. Thank you viewers for watching this video. For those people who searching beautiful and outclass collection, it's an amazing collection for them. They will get new designs, new ideas related to your crochet dresses. So if you all love this article and if you want more designs and more ideas, so like my video, subscribe my channel. Don't forget to press the bell icon for new and latest update. Be connected with me, friends. See you soon. Bye bye.